Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
So hello everyone, today I am going to start exercise 25b. So here the first problem. Here ABC is a triangle, is a right angle triangle as this angle equal to 90 degree, and here the perpendicular equal to 12 centimeter and base equal to 5 centimeter is given. So now you have to find out the area of this triangle. The formula to find out the area of a right angle triangle, that is half into base into height. Okay, half into base into height is the formula to find out the area of a right angle triangle. So here half into 12 as height and 5 as base, that means 2 into 2 divided by 12. So here half into 12 as height and 5 as base, so 2 with 12, that means 6, so 6 into 5, that equal to 30 centimeter. So 30 centimeter is the area of the given triangle. Now the second one. Now in this triangle, here 5 is the perpendicular and 13 is the base. So same formula, half into base into height, and you will get 32.5 centimeter square as area. Now the third one. Here 5 is the perpendicular and base equal to 8. So same formula will be here, half into 8 into 5, that equal to 20 centimeter square. Sum number 2. The base of a triangle measures 32 centimeter and its altitude. Altitude means height. So that equal to 45 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle in square meters. Okay, so first, that means first you have to transform this centimeter into meter. Okay, so that will be 0.32 and that will be 0.45. So 0.32 and 0.45 will be the base and the height or altitude. Now you have to apply the same formula, half into base into height, and you will get the answer. Okay, now sum number 3. Find the height of a triangle if its area is 24 centimeter square and base equal to 15 centimeter. Okay, so as here area equal to 24 and base equal to 15, so let h will be the height. So half into base into height, that equal to 24 as area. So h equal to 24 into 2 into 1 by 15, and that becomes 3.2. So here 3.2 is the height. Now sum number 4. The area of a right angle triangle equal to 60. The smallest side equal to 8 centimeter. What is its hypotenuse? Okay, so first let h be the height of that triangle. Small side equal to 8, so half into base into height, that becomes the area, that means 60. So here h equal to 60 into 2 into 1 by 8, so height equal to 15. Okay, now height equal to 15, base equal to 8, and it's a right angle triangle, so we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. And what is the Pythagoras theorem? In a right angle, the relation between hypotenuse, height and base, that equal to hypotenuse equal to root over height square plus base square. So here height equal to 15, so 15 square plus 8 square. So 15 means 2 to 5, 8 means 64, that becomes 289. So root over 289, that becomes 17. So 17 centimeter is the hypotenuse. Now sum number 5. Calculate the shaded area of each of the following. Okay, so here ABCD is a rectangle. Okay, and here FDE, that is a triangle. Here also DGH, it's also a triangle, and this portion is the shaded region. Okay, so first find out the area of this triangle DGH. Okay, here GH equal to 16 and DH equal to 10. So 10 means base, 16 means height, so half into base into height, that becomes 80 centimeter square. Okay, now as BC equal to 48 centimeter, it's given, and AE equal to 16 centimeter, it's given. That means the rest of the part ED equal to 48 minus 16, that equal to 32. So now for the triangle FED, here 32 is the height and 20 is the base. So half into base into height, that equal to 320. Now next, here the area of the rectangle, that means length into breadth. So length equal to 48, breadth equal to 30, that becomes 1440 centimeter square. Now to find out the area of this shaded region, first you have to add the area of this triangle and this one. Okay, that will be 80 plus 320, that means 400. Then 400 subtract from the whole area. So 1440 minus 400, that equal to 1040 is the final answer. Now 5.2. So here in this diagram there are two triangles, that is the first one, that is the second one. The whole one is a rectangle, length equal to 14, breadth equal to 11. Here the height of this triangle equal to 4, height of this triangle equal to 5. Okay, so if this one equal to 11, so this one equal to also 11. So the area of this triangle half into 11 into 5. The area of this triangle half into 4 into 11. So the area of the two triangles, that means half into 5 into 11 plus half into 4 into 11. So if half into 11 will be common, then it becomes 5 plus 4. So now half into 11 into 9, finally it will 49.5 centimeter square. Okay, now the area of the whole rectangle, that equal to 14 into 11. So 14 into 11 equal to 154. Then subtract the area of two triangles, 49.5, and that becomes 104.5 centimeter square. Sum number 6. Find the area of an isosceles right angle if one of its side is 18. So if this one equal to 18, and as it is an isosceles triangle, that means these two sides will be equal. So if this one 18, this one also 18. So you can apply the formula half into base into height, and you will get the answer 162. Sum number 7. The area of an isosceles triangle is 300 centimeter square. The height of the triangle is 15 centimeter. Find the perimeter of the triangle. Okay, so here ABC is an isosceles triangle, height equal to 15. Now always, that means here this portion AD is the perpendicular on BC, and in isosceles triangle the perpendicular bisect the base. That means here D is the midpoint of BC. Now as BC is the base, that means half into height into base, that equal to 300 centimeter square. So here base equal to 300 into 2 into 1 by 15, that becomes 40. So here BC equal to 40 and D is the midpoint, as I said before. That means here BD equal to 20, DC equal to also 20. Now in this triangle, that means ABD, it is a right angle triangle. So now you have to find out the value of AB. That means here AB is the hypotenuse. So that means the formula AB equal to root over Pythagoras theorem, 20 square plus 15 square, that becomes 625. So that equal to 25. So if AB equal to 25, then this one equal to also 25. Now you have to find out the perimeter. Perimeter means summation of three sides. So 25 plus 40 plus 25, that equal to 900 centimeter. Okay, so I hope you have no problem. So if you like my video, please share this video with your friends and subscribe my channel if you are new viewers. Okay, sum number 8. The area of a triangle is 1176 centimeter square. The ratio of the base to the corresponding altitude is 3:4. Okay, find the altitude of the triangle. So here suppose base is to height, that becomes 3:4. So base equal to 3k and h equal to 4k. Here k is a non-zero constant. Okay, now the area of the triangle will be half into base into height. So that means 1176 centimeter square. So here half into 3k into 4k, that becomes k square, and here 3 into 2, that becomes 6. So 1176 by 6, that equal to 196. So as k square equal to 196, then k equal to root over 196, that equal to 14. That means the value of k equal to 14. Now the altitude will be 4 into 14, that equal to 56 centimeter. Sum number 9. Find the area of a quadrilateral ABCD where BD equal to 22, that means this one equal to 22, CE equal to 7 and AE equal to 6. So here ABCD is a quadrilateral and BD divide this quadrilateral into two different triangles. In the upper triangle BDC, here height equal to 7, base equal to 22. In the lower triangle ABD, height equal to 6, base equal to again 22. So area of ABD equal to half into base into height, that becomes 66. Area of DBC equal to half into base into height, that equal to 77 centimeter square. Now to find out the area of the whole quadrilateral, you have to just add these two area, so that becomes 66 plus 77, that equal to 143 centimeter square. Sum number 10. Find the area of the triangle in each of the following where the three sides are given. Okay, so that means it's an scalene triangle. So there are the three sides. First one is 26, second one 28 and third one 30. So here ACE is the semi perimeter. Okay, here ACE is the semi perimeter. That means first you have to find out the perimeter, then it's divided by 2. So 26 plus 28 plus 30, that equal to 84, 84 by 2, that equal to 42. Okay, now to find out the area of a scalene triangle, you have to apply the formula of Heron's. So Heron's formula, what is the formula? The formula will be the area of the triangle, that equal to root over, okay, root over, then first write down S into S minus A means first side, then S minus B second side, then S minus C third side. As here S or semi perimeter, that equal to 42, so first write down 42, then S minus A 42 minus 26, S minus B 42 minus 28, S minus C 42 minus 30. Okay, so that is the formula. Now next, first 42, then 42 minus 26 16, it one 14 and the last one 24. Okay, now 42 means 6 into 7, 16 16, 14 means 72, 12 means 6 into 2. Okay, now root over. So when the root will be open, then 6 into 6, that means 1 6 will be considered. So 6 7 7 1 7, 2 2 1 2 and 16, root over of 16, that means 4. So now 6 into 7 into 2 into 4, that becomes 336 centimeter square. So now sum number 11, that is the last sum in this exercise. So please like this video and share this video with your friends. And for the first part, that means 25A, please check the description box. So here sum number 11, it said that find the area of an equilateral triangle whose each side equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, so each side equal to 12 centimeter, and the formula to find out the area of an equilateral triangle, that equal to root 3 by 4 into side square, root 3 by 4 into side square. As here side equal to 12, so root 3 by 4 into 12 square, so root 3 by 4 into 144. Now 4 divided by 144, it becomes 36. So the final answer will be 36 root 3 centimeter square. Thank you so much for watching this video.